Welcome to VIM school. I am Sugna here. Let's continue the class, children. Next we are going to know about the sick room. The school has a sick room too. We can rest here when we fall sick. Yes, children. The school has sick room too. When we can rest there when we fall sick, children, when we will feel fever, cold, cough or headache, so where they will make to sit, children? In sick room. Next, assembly hall. There is a big hall in which we have our daily prayer. So children, in the assembly hall there is a big hall, no children? In that all the children they will stand, which we have our daily prayer. No, we will do the prayer in the assembly hall, no children? All the class children they will stand in the line and they will do the prayer, no, in the morning. That is known as assembly hall. Okay children, playground. The school also has a playground. We play in the playground during the sports period. So children, there is a playground, no? The school also has the playground. Where you will play, children? You will play in the playground, no? During the sports period. PT period will come, means what you will do? You will go to playground and you will play, no children? You like to play with your friends, no? Okay, next we can see. Next is library. There are many books in the library. We read books there. The librarian helps us to choose good books. Okay children, there are many books in the library, no children? We read books there, no? So who will be there, children? The librarian will help you, no children, to choose good books, no? There will be one ma'am, no? There is known as librarian. Okay children. Okay, our classroom. Next is our classroom. Our classrooms has door and two windows. There are benches and desks. There is a big table and a chair for the teacher. There is a blackboard on the wall. The teacher writes on it with a chalk. Okay children, our classrooms have a door, yes or no? And two windows. There are many benches, you know, no? Where you will sit, children? You will sit on the desk or bench? You will sit on the bench. Yes. You will write on the desk. There is a big table, no? See here, there is a big table and chair for teacher. There is a blackboard. This is blackboard, no, on the wall. The teacher writes on it with a chalk. Yes or no, children? We keep some books. We keep some of our books in the cupboard. So children, what you will do? You will keep some classworks in our cupboard. No children? In your cupboard you will keep some books and you will go, no children? You won't carry all the books, no? Only what classwork, what homework is given, regarding that you will carry the books, no? Other books and all where you will keep, children? In the cupboard. Many colorful charts hang on the walls. Yes children, many colorful charts you will make, no? You will make vegetable charts, animals chart, parts of the body charts, part of the plants. So that and all what ma'am will do, they will hang on the walls, no children? In one corner there is a dustbin. We must drop waste paper and pencil shavings in it. We must keep our classroom neat and clean. Yes children, in one corner what you will do, children? There is a dustbin. You must drop waste paper and pencil shaving in it. Yes children, you should not throw here and there under the desk and all, under the benches and all. You should not sharpen. You should throw. You should not throw. Okay children. Afterwards, what you should do? You should sharpen the dustbin only. You should throw in the dustbin only. You must keep your classroom very neat and clean, children. You should not throw your waste paper and all inside in your bag. If mama will check, means the waste paper and all, what you will do? You will put it inside in your bag only. No, you should not do like that. You should put it in the dustbin. And these pencil shavings, so you should keep one small box. Afterwards, you should what you should do? You should sharpen your pencil and put your shavings in that small box. Afterwards, you can go and you can throw in the dustbin, children. And you should keep your classroom safe all time, very neat and clean. Okay, children. Washroom. There are the toilets near our classroom. Always flush after use to keep them clean. So, washroom. There is a toilet, no? Washroom is there near to your class. Yes, always what you should do? You should flush after using to keep them clean. You should pour more water to your washroom, children. Afterwards, what you should do? You should wash your hands and you should come and sit in the class. Okay. The watchman guards our school. He sit at the school gate. Who will guards your school, children? Watchman. No. What he will do? He will sit at the school gate. No. Yes. So this is the end of your lesson.